Hi guys, so today again we come with another informative video also. So today we will make this our bittergourd juice. So for this we already took bittergourd soup, okay. So for this we already took all this ingredient. For example, we took already like bittergourd. We have to cut slices, tomato. In spices we took little turmeric, black pepper, and salt and oil and ginger garlic paste and corn flour to give thickness to our soup. Okay, so all this ingredient we need to use to make this our soup. So this is very good juice, healthiest juice for you, because this is good for diabetic patient. If you are diabetic patient, so this will be good for you. So now I will show you step by step. Well, first what we will do, first we have to slice our beetle gourd, and we have to saute with ginger garlic paste little, and with our tomato, and we'll boil with our spices like turmeric, little black pepper and salt. And when this will be ready, so we will give corn flour to give thickness to our soup. So I will show you step by step. Please see this video till last. So if you are new on this channel or still not subscribed, subscribe also, because the benefit of the subscribe channel is that you will find all here informative video which we upload daily. So I hope you will do like this. Let's start. I will show you now. So to make this our soup, I already took this our pan. Here already put little oil, and this is ginger garlic paste. We will put when this will be little heated, and I already slice our beetle gourd and also dices our tomato. So when this will be heated, so I will put first the ginger garlic, then we'll saute little beetle gourd and tomato, and we'll cook. Okay, so I will show you when this will be heated. Okay, so I put this to high fire. So our oil already heated. We put little ginger garlic, like little, okay, and have to saute little bit. Okay. Then I put our this beetle gourd, okay, like this. You have to saute proper. This is, okay. We have to saute like this. So I already put it over this all spices also, like little turmeric and this black pepper and salt, okay, and have to saute proper, okay, like this. And now we have to add our little water, okay, like this. I already put little water. Now we have to put this our tomato also, and we have to boil now. This may be 5 to 10 minutes, and I already put lemon juice also little, and have to boil maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So now I cover it, and 10 to 15 minutes we have to boil it, and when this will be ready, I will show you. Okay. 15 minute finish. We have to check our soup. So wow, so this is already ready. See the color and also texture. Okay, so it's already cooked. Your tomato and beetle gourd should cook like this. Okay, so if you don't have thickness, I already took this corn flour. Okay, we have to add here corn flour to give thickness to our soup. Okay, and I already put little lemon juice also in it. Okay, now this is ready. Maybe 5 minutes this will be ready. So I will show you when this will be done. Okay, like this. So now this 5 minutes finish. We have to check our soup. So wow, see, this is ready to serve now. So see the color and also texture should be like this. So now this is ready to serve now. So we will serve. I will show you how you will serve. Okay, in plate. So now this is ready to serve now. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. See the color and also texture should be like this. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which topic you need video. So I hope you will do like this. We will come with another informative video also, and please share this video to your friends also, because if you will share, so you will find all this informative video which we upload daily. So like and share to your friend also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.